Previously, we had learned what is a factor, what is a multiple, the difference between prime and a composite number, prime factorization, and highest common factor. It's time to do the exercise 1C. Before we head to that, you need to have a firm understanding of all of these concepts. So I'll link to the video down below, learn the basics, and then do the exercise. In case you are well versed with all of these concepts, let's get started. The question number 1. We have to find out the common factors between 6 and 9. So we start by making factors. First of all, we make factors of 6. That's 1, 2, 3, and 6. The factors of 9 are 1, 3, and 9. Now what's common between the factors of 6 and factors of 9? We have 1 and we have number 3. So both of these numbers, 1 and 3, are the common factors of 6 and 9. Similarly, question number 1, part B, 15 and 18. Now the factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5, and 15. And the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. What's common between them? 1 and 3. Again, 1 and 3 are the common factors of 15 and 18. Similarly, you can do part C, common factors between 27 and 36. Start by making factors of 27, make factors of 36, and then find out what is common between these two. And part D, 45 and 75. Now, question number 2. Find the HCF of the following. Question number 1 was about the common factor. Question number 2 is regarding the highest common factor. What is the highest common factor of 12 and 30? The one method we can use is of prime factorization. We make prime factors of 12 as 2 into 2 into 3. And for 30, it's 2 into 3 into 5. Now we take the common numbers 2 and 3. So the common prime factors are 2 and 3. For HCF, we multiply these two and the answer is 6. So 6 is the HCF of 12 and 30. Similarly, you can do part B, 15 and 75, 16 and 40, 24 and 64, 24 and 108, 28 and 56, 36 and 243, and 324 and 128. Question number 3. Find the HCF of 27, 63, and 207. Now it's the same question, same concept, same methodology. The only difference here is we have 3 multiples instead of 2 multiples as in question number 2. We start by making prime factors of 27. That is 3 into 3 into 3 or 3 cube. Or for 63 we have 3 into 3 into 7 or 3 square into 7. For 207 it's 3 into 3 into 23. What's common between among these factors? We have 3 and we have 3. When we multiply these two, we have 9. You can also use the division method. You divide 27, 63 into 07 by 3. The answer is 9, 21, and 69. You divide that by 3 again. The answer is 3, 7, and 23. There is only one common factor that they are divisible by. That is 1. And 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. So take your time. Grab your notepad, do the exercise, each of these components, all of them by yourself, and I'll see you tomorrow with more problems. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.